The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Sight and sound is good. Thank you. Thank you. Barry, Dennis, Jim, guys, good morning. Happy Monday, fellas. August 4th. Jack, good evening to you. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. It was a wet one here in the South. Again, been going on since March. Why wouldn't it rain? Today, we have no news. Volume is good on the NASDAQ coming in. 89,000 contracts have traded. We have a positive delta of just over 2,000 contracts. We've worked off that overbought. I'll show it to you on the daily, and I'll give you my opinion as to where we're headed. But we do have good volume today. And like a dink, I forgot to turn on the NASDAQ from 7 to 8, which I turned it on late, but looking at it, it would have hit daily goal already. Looks like we'd have had that short. Morning, Chris, and that long. Anybody trade the NASDAQ from 7 to 8 a.m.? I'm guessing it's got daily goal. In the overnight session, I had no trades on gold on the 15-minute. Copper up 787.50. Gold on the Ninja Renko up 470. Yeah, it hit your goal. I figured it did. I'm just looking at the chart. And crude up 390. So the overnight session was profitable. I've already logged those totals for today. And as I did not turn on the 1 minute from 7 to 8, I will be trading the NASDAQ on the 1 minute, the Ninja Renko, and of course the ES today. But again, volume is good. In any event, we have no news. We have nothing today. I did not bother looking at the rest of the week, but we have no news today. No speakers, no news, nothing that I saw of any interest whatsoever. So we'll get on with it and see what we can come up with. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Come on, give us the last 3 ticks. Meanwhile, Nasdaq's going. All right. If you guys want to try to milk this, you're going to have to break here at 15.1. Your next target would be 13.2-ish. Here comes that next target, 13.2. I think, in my opinion, this is a good short. I'm gonna should have shorted 10. Be done for the day. I'm gonna try to get this to first target here at 62. But this could break down. I mean, this could come down, a long way. Trade it as you see fit. We're selling the up move. A little bit of support here on the small time frame. Kind of have to break down below 68. If this is coming down, 68 is going to have to go. Come on. Come on, baby. A little more. We got 65. Let me put this at 63 even. And then 57 half. Don't be a chump. All right, next 15-minute bars come in here in 40 some odd seconds. If you guys want to take risk off, feel free. Come on, one more push. Give us the ticks. Don't like that. Push here. 64 quarter. All right, guys. It's almost nothing trading. One buyer, two sellers, three sellers, one seller. I mean, it's kind of annoying. Did anybody sell crude? Did anybody short crude? All right, you can have this. I'm flat NASDAQ. Anybody sell crude? All right, target one is 48. Target one is 48. They know how to put the brakes on the market, don't they? Come on, break here right now. Flush them. Still won't put in a new day low. Holding 57. Three cracks at it on this 3 minute. All right, new day low, 2 ticks. All right, I'm flat. You can have it. I don't like three. I mean, this could bounce ahead of the open, which would not shock me. Ahead of the 9 a.m. open. Come on, one more push. Couple ticks. Both targets hit and filled. If this gets target, it's done for the day. Be up 600. There it is, done for the day. Up 600. That's daily goal. That was ES canceled a short. Come on, ES, a little more push. There it is, done for the day. Daily goal is in. All right, bottom of the hour and 20 some odd seconds here. All right, guys. I'm going to short 28.75 if it comes down there, and I think it will. This is going to go to a loss. Always got to be one that pisses me off. This should come down. This could come down to 08. I won't give it a whole lot of room here. That's about my kill. Come on. I'm flat. I still think this is coming down. Come on, dog. They're selling them. Come on, a little more push. Guys, I hold for target, but if you guys want to take risk off, feel free. Miss me by a damn tick. One tick. Feel free to trade them, guys, as you see fit. We're rounding out the morning. Next 2-minute bar is not for 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's this 1 minute. Come on. Let's go get that target. All right, got it. Next target down I have is actually 04. And then we need to break a structure. And this could come back. I mean, it could come back. I have 23,072 on the 15-minute. I've got a 189. If you have runners, as always, trade them as you see fit, guys. This puppy hit target and didn't fill it. Trade them as you see fit. This is a shallow retracement here on the 15-minute, right? That's a trend retracement. This could bounce back to 30, 35. Looks like it's all right. I'm flat. So all I'm going to get is one target. I'll look to short it again. 15-minute. Come on. Push here. Got longs trapped. Push them. We're down to 53.60, 52. They're selling them hard here on the break of structure. They're trying to break structure. I would expect to bounce at least until the next 2-minute bar. Got target one there. All right, so we broke structure. We probably bounce. Take profits if you want them. And the next push could be down to bottom of the cloud at 163. I have 189, 190. I also have a 23,072 downside. 23,072. We're back to 50. Trump, India, not only buying Russian oil, they're selling it. Okay. We're just holding the cloud, guys. Sellers are pressing. All I need Trump to do is come out and say we're going to 100% tariff on India. Boom. That'll get us the target. Come on. It's holding the break of structure. Here we go. Come on. Sellers are trying. They, could bounce this back up to 24. We've got to take out that little swing here at 93.75, and then, it's done. Trade it as you see fit, guys. It's 3 minutes to the close. They do have longs trapped. Looking like a bounce. All right. I guess that's going to do it for me today. Not a bad day considering we're dealing with a damn trend day. Not a whole lot of trades on the NASDAQ. Anybody have any questions? Still think this 15-minute pushes down to 76. All right, there's top of the hour, guys. I'll go over totals. The overnight session, for those of you guys that are on trial, gold, crude, and copper trade overnight from 1 a.m. until 6 a.m. Okay. No trades on the gold 15-minute for me, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Copper on the Ninza up 787.50. Gold on the Ninza up 470. And crude up 390 in the overnight session. Here comes the break. They're going to break this, guys. They're pushing now again into the cloud. Here it comes. In the cash session, I'll let this run. In the cash session, the Ninza hit daily goal up 600. ES hit daily goal up 800. And NASDAQ, the official NASDAQ, this is unofficial, this is just test settings here, is currently down 485. And I will let this run until noon to see if it can't get a little get back, get to green. It normally, so you guys that are on trial know, they're scheduled to run till noon. So everything has been recorded except the 1 minute. Okay. Everything has been recorded except the 1 minute. And then from a discretionary, that's out. So that's the test 1 minute is down $100, but I've been running it shorts only. My discretionary trades utilizing my market structure indicator, which will be automated this month, up 1245. Does anybody have